Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to talk to you about an amazing skincare ingredient, hyaluronic acid. If you want more hydrated and radiant skin, stick around for this video. Hyaluronic acid is a wonder for the skin. It's widely used to combat dehydration and aging. Imagine your skin is like a sponge, and hyaluronic acid is the water that hydrates it, leaving it soft and healthy. So how does it work? Hyaluronic acid is a molecule that can attract and hold a lot of water, up to 1,000 times its weight. This means it keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. To use it correctly, apply it to clean, slightly damp skin. Start with a small amount and spread it evenly over your face and neck. You can use it in the morning and at night. The amount you need may vary, but usually 1 or 2 drops are enough. Although it is safe for almost everyone, some people may experience irritation or redness. Therefore, always do a test on a small area of skin before using it on your entire face. And as always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to consult your dermatologist. In short, hyaluronic acid is a great option for any skincare routine. Remember to keep your skin well hydrated and protected. See you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.